criteria of what makes a good mathematician. Good ways that good strategies or good criteria for solving math problems when we have one. And some of the things that we said was you have to use a good what?
Strategy.
Okay, another one that you guys said was explain your thinking. Another one that my friends came up with is understand the
Question.
okay. Someone said that you also, even if you use your strategies, you still have to come up with the correct answer. Some of my friends said that you have to show your okay. So what I did was I said, we need a way to sort your thinking, okay? So that way whenever you're solving math problems, you can always come and look at this chart to make sure that you have followed all the steps of following a good problem and making sure that you are doing all the criteria for solving math problems. So one of my friends said that you have to understand the
Question.
okay? That is a big word and it means concept. Thank you, Cooper. Concept. Okay, can everyone say concept?
Concept.
And then on here it says, do you understand the question? Will you add or subtract? You have to understand the question. And do you see his brain? He's thinking. You have to, when you're reading the question, you have to think and read. So we're going to put a C on here for concept. And I'm going to also put your sentence strip that you guys created under concept. And that means, do I understand the question? One of my friends said that you have to make sure that your answer is what? Correct. So there's a bigger math word for that, which means accuracy. Is your answer correct? And do you see the basketball?
Yes.
Okay, when you're shooting a basketball, you want to get it in the what?
Correct.
You want to get it in the you want to get it in the hoop. You want to get a shot. You want it to be right. Okay, so accuracy means, is your answer correct?
I feel like we need to put it in the correct direction.
You need to put it in the correct direction, or do you need to come up with the correct answer?
Correct.
Yes, you have to come up with the correct answer. And I'm going to put this in a strip that you guys created. Correct answer. Now, the P is for plan. How will you solve this problem? Use a strategy. That's going to be our P. And the center strip that you guys came up with was use a good strategy. Okay, that would go under our P. Having to show your work would go under our P. That's making a plan. And our last one, which is the one that my friends are working on the most. What is it?
Explain.
Explain your thinking. That is the one that my class really, really has to work on. Is explaining their thinking. And this is explanation. Explain your thinking. How did you find out the answer?
Because you're thinking.
Okay. And you guys created that idea. So I just made all of your ideas into a pretty chart that will help you remember that good mathematicians have to understand the question. Your answer has to be correct. You have to make a plan. Okay? which means, am I going to add or subtract? Okay, I have to use a good strategy. I have to show my work. And the last one is E. Explain your thinking. And if I look at this all together, C-A-P-E, it spells cape. Okay, we're going to be using cape. When you are solving math problems, I want you to refer back to your